Hey folks, today in this video I want to explain you how you can use the fill disk attacks in order to improve the reliability of your system. So in the Steadybit experiment editor, I've already dragged and dropped the fill disk for a container, and I'm actually specifying which containers I want to attack by using the target attribute discovery. In this case, I want to attack one container, which is part of the Kubernetes deployment gateway. I can also specify how much data I want to write on the disk. And because I'm writing it to the temp file destination, which is not a mounted volume, I'm actually using the ephemeral storage of that specific container. And this way, I'm expecting that Kubernetes is stopping that container because it's exceeding the limited ephemeral storage. And that in the end, this pod becomes ready again within 60 seconds, so that the startup time is within a short time frame. Having executed that experiment already before, I can see that the pod count decrease did happen during the ephemeral storage exceeding. You can see that I had 2 pods initially ready, and then it went down to only 1 pod, and 1 pod was missing. But that new pod didn't actually become ready within 60 seconds. That's why my overall experiment failed, and I have something to improve on, namely reducing the startup time of that specific container. But I can also use the fill disk container in order to check, for instance, what happens in case I'm exceeding the available storage in a persistent volume by just specifying another directory as part of the container. And I can also validate what happens to the pods, and also that my monitor are actually alerting because of scarce resources. The experiment is basically also available in the Steadybit Reliability Hub. You can go to the fill disk attack, and then there is a recipe. You can download the recipe, import it into your Steadybit platform, and run the experiment. So check it out and take care.